very simple and easy. This logic refers to which gate?
3 input AND gate.
Very good. It is 3 input AND gate. Okay, this is 3 input AND. Okay, fine. Let me show you and let me see, draw another logic. So these are simple to identify. So yeah, this is A. Okay. And the output X is okay. Now you see here for 1 and 1, the output is 0. Okay, for 0 and 1, output is 1. Okay, for 1 and 1, the output is 0. For 1, 0, 1. Okay, so for 1, 1, it is 0, 1, 1. Okay, till here you see, that's enough. Ikkada chudandi. So this circuit I will erase it off. Till here you see and tell me which circuit it is.
NAND.
This is for 1 and 1 you are getting 0. For 0 and 1 you are getting 1.
1.
Okay. For 1, 0 also you are getting 1. Obviously for 0, 0 also you will get 0 only. Zero zero నేను ఇవ్వలేదు కదా. ఓకే, సో 0 0 నేను ఇవ్వలేదు కండిషన్ ఇక్కడ. It is NAND gate. It is NAND gate or it is bubbled NAND gate ni manam bubbled OR gate. Also we can make NAND gate as bubbled OR gate. Both the outputs are same. Bubbled OR gate output and NAND gate output both are equal. Okay, so this pulse we can consider it as whether NAND gate or bubbled OR gate. కానీ ఇక్కడ చూడండి పల్స్ లో ఇంకొక కండిషన్ సాటిస్ఫై అవ్వట్లేదు. చూడండి 1 1 0 1 1 0 ఉంది. అండ్ ఇంకొక కండిషన్ ఏంటిది, NAND gate కి 0 0 will be equal to what? 0 0 also will be equal to 1. So we can so ikkada 0, ikkada 0. So the pulse we can extend 0 0. It will be equal to 1. Okay. So these are the pulsed. These are the identification of the gates according to the pulses. ఓకే, లాస్ట్ ఇంకొకటి చూసేసి we will move to the next topic. Now tell me the output. So for 1 1 1 you are getting 1, for 0 1 1 you are getting 0. Okay, for 1 0 1 you are getting 1, for 1 1 0 you are getting 0, for 0 1 0 you are getting 1. So for 1 0 0 1. Okay, so this type of logic, so it is neither a 3 input gate, not which gate it is. If you are not able to, you try it. If you are not able to identify with this figure, I'll give you a pic actually. If you are not able to identify this figure. నేను వాట్సాప్ లో ఒకటి షేర్ చేస్తున్నాను చూడండి పిక్చర్. So in WhatsApp I have shared, you can see. So identify and tell me. Okay, ఇక్కడ నుండి I am removing. Can you see Ganesh and Ashok? You see which gate? You tell me. You think and tell me. Okay. Till I will move to another topic. See, we have so many laws in Boolean algebra. Okay. So among them, we will be mostly using. So we have AND laws. Okay. We have already seen in PPT చూపించాను కదా. AND laws అంటే ఏంటి? So a plus 0 is equal to a plus 1 is equal to 1, a plus a is equal to a, and a plus a bar is equal to 1. Okay, so this is called as null law. Okay, and this is called as identity law. Okay. So similarly we have OR laws. Okay, we have laws related to OR gate, that is, so these are OR laws. Okay, so these are OR laws. So these are OR laws, and similarly we have AND laws. So AND laws and a into 0 is equal to 0, a into 1 is equal to a into a is equal to a, and a into a bar is equal to 0. You know all these things. And important things, some important things I'm covering. So commutative law, Okay, so what is this commutative law? So a plus b is equal to b plus a. Okay, and second one is a into b is equal to b into a. Okay, this is commutative law. And similarly, we have associative law ఏంటంటే, so a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Okay, and similarly a into b into c is equal to a b into c dot c or dot c. Okay, తర్వాత we have distributive laws. In distributive laws, what we have, a into b plus c is equal to ab plus ac. And similarly, a plus bc is equal to a plus b into a plus c. Okay, in mainly ఒకసారి just I am revising. Why? Because so we will be solving some problems. We will be doing some proofs using these laws. Okay, after that we have RLR, redundant literal rule. Okay, redundant literal rule. So here a plus a bar a plus a bar b is equal to a plus b. Okay, it is showing that oring the variable, see, oring the variable with and oring the variable with the and of the complement of that variable. This is and of the complement of the variable with any other variable will be equal to what? That variable plus the other variable which you are using, that one. Okay, so similarly, second, you can also this RLR law, a into a bar plus b is equal to ab. And this law is stating that ANDing of a variable, okay, ANDing of a variable with the OR of the complement of that variable, okay, with another variable is equal to ANDing of two variables. Okay, so so again I repeat, ANDing of the variable, okay, ANDing of the variable with the OR of the complement of the variable with another variable, it is nothing but ANDing of two variables. Okay. Similarly, idempotence. Similarly, idempotence. Okay. So which is stating that a dot a is equal to a, and A plus A is also equal to A. Okay, tarvata absorption law is there. So what is that? Absorption. Okay, so A plus A dot B is equal to A. Okay, we need to remember all these things. Tarvata we will be doing some problems on this consensus theorem and నేను చెప్పాను కదా. So somewhere ఇప్పుడు కొన్ని questions ఇస్తే we have to use that one also. Consensus theorem and transposition theorem also we have to use. Later we will see. And important thing is De Morgan's. Okay, so De Morgan's theorem. So De Morgan's law ఏంటిది A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar B bar. Okay, similarly ఏంటిది A B whole bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Okay, so నేను ఇక్కడ వదిలేసింది ఏంటిది అని అంటే కన్సెన్సస్ థీరం ఒకటి అండ్ next one is transposition theorem. So these two things I have left and everything I kept on the screen. Okay, you observe all these things. You already nenu oksaరి చూపించాను. Okay, you already so we have seen in the PPT. Now we are going to use these things. Okay, use these things in our questions. Okay, we have to solve the given questions. Okay, so now first one is here I am writing the this place we will be ikkada question istam chudandi. Okay, now first thing is we should function is given A plus B bar. Okay, A plus B bar into C plus D bar whole bar is given. Okay, so now what you need question is demorganize this function. Demorganize this function. Demorganize this function ante first thing is you need to use the De Morgan's law. Okay, you need to use the De Morgan's law. Okay, that's it. Okay, so if this is your function, if this is your function, f is equal to A plus B bar into C plus D whole bar. Now if you are demorganizing or if you are first thing is what you do is you complement the function. Okay, so you complement the function. Okay, so if you are complementing the function, what will your f complement will become what? A plus B bar, okay, into C plus D bar. It will become. Now what you need demorganizing and entity first complement cheyali, next change and to or and or to and. Okay, and to or and or to and. So what you need ikkada em ostadi cheppandi, A B bar A B bar ఇక్కడ product term ఉంది కదా, దీన్ని ఏం చేస్తారు ప్లస్ C, this plus will become product term D bar. Okay, C D bar. And now again what you need to do, complement variables. Complement the variables. Variables complement cheste what you will get, A bar into B plus C bar into D. Okay, so this is the result of demorganized function f. Okay, so demorganize ante meer em chestunaru cheppandi. First thing is the whole function you are taking and you are complementing. This is the first step. Okay, you are complementing, finding out f. Complementing ante em ledu, so already na complement ki complement apply cheste, so this will be removed. Okay, so then changing and to or and or to and. Ikkada or undi, I have changed it to and. Ikkada and undi, I have changed it to or. Ikkada or undi, I have changed it to and. Next, after changing, again complement. Complement, change, complement. So this is the way you will demorganize. Okay, is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. సో నేను అక్కడ లాస్ ఎందుకు అని అంటే జస్ట్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఈ డిమోర్గనైజ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ బార్ విల్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ బార్ ఇంటూ బి బార్ ఏబి బార్ డైరెక్ట్ గా కూడా రాయొచ్చు ఇది మీరు పెద్ద సమస్య ఏం లేదు ఏబి హోల్ బార్ విల్ బి ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ బార్ ప్లస్ బి బార్ ఓకే సో నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ వి విల్ సీ you to take one pen and book and అలా చూస్తుంటే ఏం రాదు జస్ట్ టేక్ వన్ పెన్ అండ్ బుక్ and you start doing. Okay, so now question 2 is you need to apply De Morgan's theorem to this expression. F is equal to AB bar into CD plus EF. Okay, so CD plus E bar F AB bar plus CD whole bar. దీనికి whole bar is there. This is the function. So what you need to do? You need to demorganize this function or apply De Morgan's theorem. Okay. So for this expression. So what you will do? So what you will do? మీరు try చేయండి. De Morgan's law apply చేయడం అంటే you can change the function and you can make or you can replace and with or with and. Okay, so here is the solution. So what is the expression? F is equal to AB bar. First thing is expression malli raayadam endukani. You take the directly I am applying. You see F is equal to complement చేశాను F complement చూడండి A bar whole bar. Okay, so here product term is there. So ఇక్కడ product ఉంది కదా. Okay, first thing product is there. Okay, so I am applying I am replacing that product term with some term and inside simply write CD plus E bar F whole bar. Okay, plus what you will do AB bar whole bar. Okay, plus CD bar whole bar. Okay, so you write like this and first bracket terms I have taken. Okay, so I have taken only this term first. Okay, in the second step what I will do is only this bracket term idokati nenu demorganize chesanu. Okay, second what I will do is AB bar whole bar is equal to AB. Okay, plus CD plus CD bar and దీనికి apply చేయండి. Now you apply De Morgan's theorem to this one. So it will be CD bar into EF bar whole bar. Okay, so again plus ఒక్కొక్క దానికి అప్లై చేస్తూ వెళ్ళండి. AB bar whole bar. Okay, so plus ఉంది కదా, you convert this okay into dot CD bar whole bar. Next what you need to do is మళ్ళీ ఏం చేస్తారు AB plus CD bar okay into E F plus ఇక్కడ AB to CD. Okay, so finally what you will write is AB finally what you write is AB plus so again you demorganize this one C bar plus D bar okay into E plus F F bar. Okay, ఇక్కడ E ఒక్కటే ఉంది. E plus F bar plus here A, B, C, D. Okay, so finally that's it. AB plus C bar plus D bar into E plus F bar plus A, B, C, D. If you are deorganizing, you will get this answer only. Okay. So what you need to do is, first thing is, if you are not able, in the expression unnappudu, first you take the terms in the bracket and deorganize. Okay. I have taken the ikkada first ee product term తీసుకున్నాను. I have deorganized this one first. Okay. Second part లో నేను ఏం చేశానంటే సెకండ్ స్టెప్ లో ఈ బ్రాకెట్ లో ఉన్నది తీసుకొని I have applied Demorgan's law to this one. I got it. Okay. In the third step, what you are doing? So CD bar is there, EF bar whole bar is there. So this one again you deorganize and this one. Okay. So finally, which expression you are getting? That is the final one. You got it? Shall we go to the next one? Okay. So we'll move to the next one. Next question is, so you need to practice much more. Okay. మనకి ఏంటి సింపుల్ గానే అనిపిస్తాయి ఇవే కదా డిమోర్గన్స్ లో అప్లై చేయడం అనేది. బట్ దిస్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఓకే, యూ విల్ గెట్. బట్ ద థింగ్ ఈస్, ఇఫ్ సమ్వన్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ యూ టు ప్రూవ్, ఓకే, సో ప్రూవ్ చేయమని ఏదైనా అడిగారు అనుకోండి, ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అని, ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ అని, లేకపోతే ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ కాంప్లిమెంట్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేయమని అంటే, సో ప్రాపర్లీ యూ షుడ్ అప్లై. ఓకే, సో third question is, now I'm not asking you to deorganize. ఇక్కడ ఏంటిదనంటే reduce. Okay, reduce చేయాలి ఈక్వేషన్ ని. reduce f is equal to ab bar whole plus a bar plus ab whole bar. Okay, so now అంటే reduce this expression. దీనికి మీరు ఏదైనా అప్లై, so many laws are on the screen. Okay, so you can apply any law, but your intention is దాన్ని రెడ్యూస్ చేయాలి. ఒక వేరియబుల్ కో, రెండు వేరియబుల్స్ కో, లేకపోతే 0 వచ్చినా పర్వాలేదు, కానీ అంత పెద్ద ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ మనకు కనిపించొద్దు. ఓకే, యూ షుడ్ రెడ్యూస్ ఇట్. సో to reduce this, the function, if this is right, how to reduce this one? So దీన్ని ఏం చేస్తాం, డిమోర్గన్స్ లో అప్లై చేస్తాం డైరెక్ట్ గా. ఏబి బార్ హోల్ బార్, ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ వచ్చి ప్రోడక్ట్ అవుతుంది, అండ్ హియర్ ఏ బార్ హోల్ బార్, అండ్ ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ వచ్చి ప్రోడక్ట్ అవుతుంది, అండ్ ఏబి బార్ విల్ బి దేర్. ఓకే, నేను ఇది సాల్వ్ చేయక ముందుకే నాకు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పేయచ్చు మీరు ఈజీగా. ఐఎమ్ వెయిటింగ్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. AB bar whole bar is equal to AB. A bar whole bar is equal to A. Again here we have AB whole bar. Okay. Now AB into AB whole bar into A will be equal to what? What is the answer? Yes. Yes, exactly. The answer is 0. Okay, 0 is the answer. Why? Because AB bar into AB bar complement will be equal to 0. Okay, so now let's see one more. You tell me the final answer what you are getting. F is equal to A brackets lo B plus C bar into AB plus AC bar whole bar. Okay, so this is the question and you reduce this and tell me the answer what you are getting. So you can use, I told you, you can ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏంటిదంటే ఇది మల్టిప్లై చేయొచ్చు. So you can multiply this complement with C complement, or else you can multiply A with you can multiply the bracket term with A, or else you can use De Morgan's law, or you can use associative, commutative, distributive, whatever is on the screen. So you can use anything. Okay, నాకు final answer ఒకటి చెప్పండి మీరు. Solution. First, demorganize. So if you are demorganize, what is the answer? First, demorganize చేసేటప్పుడు you have to take the bracket term only. Okay, so local you should give priority to bracket term. So A will be like that, B will be like that, and C complement also will be like that. ఇది demorganize చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి? AB complement, okay, into AC complement whole complement. Okay, so ఇది demorganize చేశాను. సెకండ్ వన్ ఇంకొకటి బ్రాకెట్ లో ఉన్న టర్మ్ ఇది, మళ్ళీ బ్రాకెట్ లో ఉన్న టర్మ్ ఇది కదా, we should apply again demorganize. Okay, so we should demorganize this thing. Okay, so what we will get? A into B plus C bar, it will be like that only, complement ఉంది కదా. So it will AB whole complement will be equal to A complement plus B complement. Okay, so into again A complement plus C complement whole complement. Okay, so malli demorganize cheste we are getting this thing. So we can simplify and write this as A B plus C complement, A complement plus B complement, A complement plus C complement whole complement will be equal to C. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేద్దామంటే we'll multiply these two things. Okay, so A B plus C. Okay, so ఈ brackets లో ఉన్నది multiply చేద్దాం. ఏమొస్తుంది? A bar plus A bar C plus A bar B bar plus B bar C. Okay, we will get this thing. So now again, so what we can do? A B plus C bar. Okay, so A bar ni ఏమని రాసుకోవచ్చు చెప్పండి? What we can write? A bar A bar simply we can write it as A bar. ఇంకొంచెం నేను ఇంకొక టర్మ్ తగ్గిస్తాను. So you can multiply with C. A bar C bar plus A bar C bar C. Okay, ఈ C తోటి ఇదంతా మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నాను. Now A bar B bar C bar plus A bar B bar C bar plus B bar C bar C. Okay, దీంట్లో zeros ఏమేమి అవుతాయి చెప్పండి? What are, so this we can write it as A B plus ఇది ఏమని రాయొచ్చు సింపుల్ గా A bar C అని రాయొచ్చు. ఇది ఏమవుతుంది? This term will be అంతేనా? C bar C. ఈ టర్మ్ అలానే ఉంటుంది. This term one term extra వచ్చిందా? Okay, let's see Ashok. let's see. So this term will be equal to 0. Okay. So b plus ఇది extra వచ్చింది కదా. So a bar, b bar, c bar plus again 0. So finally what you are getting is ab plus a bar c plus a bar, b bar c plus a into 0, 0. So ఇక్కడ ఇంకా what is the final result, tell me?
AB.
Yes. Okay. So this will become 0 and this will become 0. Final result will be equal to AB. Okay. So this is and నేను కొన్ని చెప్తాను, మీకు కొన్ని అసైన్మెంట్గా ఇస్తాను. సో maximum by tomorrow I will prepare all the assignment questions. I will post in WhatsApp group. Okay, you have to solve and again you have to send me. Shall I erase this? అయిపోయిందా? Shall we move to the next problem?
Okay.
నేను ఇస్తాను ఇప్పుడు, అన్ని నేనే చేస్తున్నాను కదా, నాకు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి. దట్స్ ఇట్. ఓకే. సో నేను ఒకటి క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తాను. సింపుల్ దే. ఓకే. f is equal to a plus I will see fast గా ఎవరు చేస్తారు. a b bar plus a b c. Okay. So solve this thing. Reduce. Okay. So this is the expression. Reduce and tell me the final answer.
Ma'am, BC whole bar.
BC whole bar. BC whole bar. క్వశ్చన్ రాస్తున్నాను, నేను సాల్వ్ చేయట్లేదు. గబ్బా చేసి నాకు ఆన్సర్ చెప్పండి. ఫస్ట్ ఏంటి బ్రాకెట్స్ లో ఉన్న ఆర్గనైజ్ చేయాలి.
0 మ్యామ్.
0 వస్తుందా? ఆన్సర్ ఇస్ 0. నేను సాల్వ్ చేసి చూపియాలా? ఈజ్ ఇట్ ఓకే? 0 వస్తుంది కదా ఆన్సర్. అశోక్ అండ్ గణేష్, షల్ ఐ సాల్వ్?
0
వస్తుంది కదా. ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. Reserve for practice purpose only. F is equal to B plus BC, B plus B bar C, B plus D. Now tell me the answer for this, what you are getting. దీంట్లో I think without applying De Morgan's law you can reduce it easily. First, no need to apply De Morgan's law here. Simply you will get the answer. ఈ 2 brackets లోనే మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. సో వాట్ యూ విల్ గెట్ బీబీ ప్లస్ బీసీబీ ఈ రెండు మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే ప్లస్ బీబీ బార్ సి ప్లస్ బీసీ బీ బార్ సి into b plus d. Okay. So bb you can write it as b. Okay, bcb you can write it as bc plus bb bar c is equal to 0. bb bar bc b bar c this will be equal to 0 into you will get b plus d. Okay. So finally so b into 1 plus c and write b plus d you can write. B into 1 plus C will be equal to what? 1 plus C will be
1.
equal to what? 1 plus C is equal to 1. So 1. So B into 1, B plus D. Okay. So then BB plus BD. BB is equal to what?
B.
B plus BD. And here B common this. The 1 plus D will be equal to what? 1. Okay. Answer is B. So now proof చూద్దాం ఇప్పుడు ఒకటి proof. So question is show that AB plus AB bar C plus BC bar is equal to AC plus BC bar. Okay. So this is the question. Now what is the solution? Solution. ఏం చేద్దాం దీన్ని? We will take the LHS. AB plus AB bar C plus BC bar. Okay. So దీన్ని ఏం చేయొచ్చు మనం? What we can do? So A we can take it as common, B plus B bar. Okay. Next B plus C we can take BC bar. Okay. So this will be equal to AB plus AC plus BC bar. Okay. So we can again write it as AB into C plus C bar. We will take LHS A AB plus A B bar C plus BC bar. Okay. So we can write it as A into B plus B bar. Okay. So B plus C plus BC bar. Okay. So if we are writing like this, AB plus AC plus BC bar. So we can again write it as AB into C plus C bar AC plus BC bar. So ABC plus ABC bar AC plus BC bar. సో ఇక్కడ మీరు ఏం చేయొచ్చు అంటే you can take AC as common 1 plus B, BC bar 1 plus A. Okay, finally, what is the answer you are getting? AC plus BC. So this way you can do it. Okay, so you can use anything. Okay, you can use anything. So here AB plus AC is there. Okay, so AB plus AC by distributive law you can write it as A into B plus C, or AB plus B, A plus BC you can write it as A plus B into A plus C. Any laws you can use and you can simplify this function. Okay, so నేను ఇంకో క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తాను చూడండి మీకు, you try to do that. So one more question is, you try to solve this. A B bar C plus B plus BD bar plus AB B bar plus A bar C is equal to B plus C. Prove this one. Solve it. Solve చేయండి. Whether you got the answer or not, tell me. This one you solve. Take LHS and prove whether it is equal to P plus C or not. Here we are taking one extra term, C plus C bar. Okay, C plus C bar is equal to 1. So in tomorrow's class, what we will do is we'll try consensus theorem, okay, transposition theorem, and RLR. Okay, so ఈ మూడు యూస్ చేసి we will try to do some proofs. Have you finished this one? Second question. ఇది అర్థమైందా ఎలా చేశాను? అండ్ సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ సాల్వ్ చేశారా? ఆన్సర్ ఇవ్వండి. విల్ క్లోజ్ ద సెషన్. Yeah, Ashok and Ganesh, are you still doing? Okay, you do that, you try to prove. Okay, I'm closing the session. ఓకే, రేపు నేను కొన్ని అసైన్మెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేస్తాను. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గెటింగ్ టైమ్ టు గివ్ యూ ద క్వశ్చన్స్. ఓకే, బట్ టుమారో డెఫినెట్లీ ఐ విల్ గివ్ యూ సమ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. అండ్ టుమారో ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ క్లాస్ ఇస్ దేర్, ఐ విల్ టేక్ ఓన్లీ కాన్సెన్సస్ థీరమ్ అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ ట్రాన్స్పోజిషన్ థీరమ్ యూజ్ చేసి ఇలాంటి ప్రూఫ్సే కొన్ని చేద్దాము. అండ్ విల్ డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ ఎస్ఓపి అండ్ పిఓఎస్ ఫార్మ్స్. ఒకవేళ టుమారో ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ వాంట్ క్లాస్, యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ or you can make a phone call to the office and you can inform. Okay. So, but you let me know whether to take the class or not. You just inform me. I will be prepared to take the class only, but it depends. If no one is there in the meeting, I cannot take. No? So that's why. Okay, thank you.